there was a meeting that took place at Mr. Paul O'Sullivan's house. This house was a former house of a well-known Rondobel creature, whereby Mr. Paul O'Sullivan was chairing this meeting. And among other people present in this meeting, it was Mr. McBride, Mr. Mandlakayise Mahlangu from IPID. He was with our task team, the late Mahlangu, Mr. Cedric Nkabinde, myself, Sarah Jane Trent. She was a Paul O'Sullivan assistant. A white lady called Candice from Crime Intelligence,